hacks! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Okay, so now we have some degreaser. We're gonna clean out our nice gears. Okay, we got toothbrushes. Why? Okay, that's kind of neat. Ooh, and now they're all clean and stuff. Okay. We're welding our bike together, maybe to reinforce it. Why do we need to do that? Reliable transmission. Works without chain. Oh, a chainless bike. That's cool. And what do we got here? All right. What for? Oh, to make a connection when our little wires are broken. I actually don't know what those are for. Do you guys know? Let me know it down below. Paint remover. Wow. That's pretty nice. Easy clean. I agree. Okay, so that looks a little dangerous. Like if your leg goes down the wrong way and goes on that thing, that is over. It's not a happy Krabby Patty. Okay. Roll our wheel onto this log. Cut it down. Break that. All right. Now we're going to drill this into the wall. For what, sir? Ah, it's a bike rack. Pretty cool. All right, we're burning this, what is it called? A spur, a sprocket? Why? Why would you do that? Okay. All right, just to make your drinks taste more metallic. Got it. Don't advise you do that and then drink it. But yeah, Coca-Cola can be used to clean off metal for sure, because it's, what do you call it? Do you guys know the word that it's used? It breaks down metal. Okay, now we're going to use this cool little lever to pull up our... That seems unnecessary. That seems like way too many steps to me, but I could be wrong. Now we're taking apart this bike. Wow, that was just ready to fall apart. And we're gonna remove the paint. Let's see this happen. Come on, give me the slow-mo. Or the speed up. Yes. Mm-hmm. All right, looks pretty good. All right, we're hanging up this. Some nice green. That looks pretty good, actually. I like that color. I'm usually not a green kind of guy. I'm more of a yellow guy myself, but now it looks like Christmas colors. Okay, interesting choice. Pretty cool. We're gonna get our little chains here, link them together with a cool hack. Boom, boom. And they're connected. Gross tire, sealant. Why are we doing that? So, oh, is that so we don't have to inflate them, or? What is happening? Okay. Just clean off the tires. Now we have a notebook. And it's cut open for what? This is so confusing. For what? What is that for? Now we're in the snow. Oh no! Buddy, what happened? And this is just the worst day of his life. What should we do? Take it to the shop. Take it to my repair shop. Luckily, I'm a bike repairman. So we're cutting this off. That looks dangerous as heck without a shield. Okay. I would not like that. And it's moving and everything. Come on, man, stabilize it. Okay. Gonna grind this down. At least he's using a shield. I don't like how close that is. Come on, man. You like your fingers or no? Okay. Interesting. I don't know anyone who has actually had a bike modification. Do you guys modify your bikes? Am I just out of the loop here? Okay, we're putting this inside our wheel. So we have a car wheel. What are we using the bike for exactly? Okay, solder these pieces of metal together. Pop it inside. Are we making a bike wheel bike? Or sorry, a tire bike? Interesting. Roll it around, vroom vroom, very nice. All right, we're soldering these pieces together. Looks pretty cool. Okay. Looks like our chains work very well. This is so complicated. Transmission mechanism? Calm down, buddy. I failed mechanics. Okay. Interesting. All right, so we got one wheel on, now two wheels on, that huge chunk of metal. This is going to be a heavy thing to actually turn the pedals or press the pedals down. You need a powerful set of legs. Okay, we're blackening this up. And that is, it kind of looks cool. It kind of looks like something Batman would ride. And now it's red though, so never mind. And he doesn't look anything like Batman or Robert Pattinson or Christian Bale or what's the other guy? That's okay, I don't remember. Michael Keaton, yep. Okay, yeah, looks pretty cool actually. I could imagine that would be good in the snow, but it would be pretty hard to ride, honestly. He looks like he's struggling. Need to hit leg day more. Whoa, that's a big propeller. All right, we're just gonna stick it on a bike. That should make it go faster, right? That's like cartoon logic. It's like attach a AA battery to your bike and it goes faster. Like, that doesn't make any sense. Okay, so now we have a shaft with bearings. And whoop. Put this thing on. I can imagine a giant propeller at the back of your bike takes away a little bit of the flexibility and maneuverability of the bike. Like, what if you need to go around a corner really fast, or someone's trying to pass you and you just have this giant propeller? I mean, if you're up in the air and you're flying with it, you know, that's a different story, but I'm just doubting that that's going to happen. Okay, nice. It's not exactly perfectly, you know, shaped, but it's okay. We move. Drill through this. Burn this. Metal heating, yes it is. And we're gonna bend it, boom. So now we're actually making our propeller, a giant propeller. Looks pretty cool. He seems pretty confident in this creation. All right, ooh, that looks pretty cool. I have to be honest. Pretty cool. All right, yellow's a nice color. Best color, objectively. Let me know, guys, down below, which shade of yellow is your favorite color? All right, pretty good. Looks not too bad. And wow, does it actually ride though? Can you ride it like an actual bike? Because that's confusing. Okay, so you don't actually, that is so weird. So you don't actually push it. The chain doesn't turn the tires, it just makes the propeller go. So it's only air that's pushing you. That's so weird. Okay, that was just weird. I don't think we should talk about that anymore. Nice way to clean your tires. Going to the beach, no problem. We're just gonna put a shovel at the front. Oh, okay. A little splash protection. What do we got next? Do you just carry that with you? Like, is that just something you have with you? Is a giant tarp? Okay. Give us more reactions right now, please.